All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public.
India is strengthening its position as a global manufacturing hub, with value addition in electronics manufacturing having increased from 30% to around 70% and is projected to reach 90% by FY27, according to Axis Capital report. With a new components policy in place, the country aims to increase value addition from the current 15 to 16% to 40 to 50%. Mobile phone exports have grown 77 times in the last 10 years. India has cut down its imports of fully built air conditioners, CBUs, from 35% in FY19 to just 5% in FY25. Key parts like compressors, copper tubes, and aluminum coils are now made in India. In FY24, about 8.5 million rack compressors were imported, but within the next 2 to 3 years, all of them are expected to be made locally. The demand for printed circuit board assembly, PCBA, has jumped in both business and consumer sectors, helped by higher import duties. Until 2016, India imported more electronics than it produced. But things have changed. Thanks to the Make in India push, local production is now about 24% higher than imports as of FY24. Electronics exports are growing at a fast pace, with a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of about 26% from FY16 to FY25. Imports of mobile PCBAs, worth around 300 billion rupees in FY18, have dropped to nearly zero in FY24. With new policies in place, India is now moving towards making more PCB and other electronic components within the country. India is quickly becoming a top choice for global electronics manufacturing and exports. Government policies like the Production Linked Incentive, PLI, Phased Manufacturing Program, PMP, and Scheme for Promotion of Manufacturing of Electronic Components and Semiconductors, SPECS, along with a skilled workforce and improving infrastructure, help the country to gain ground in the global supply chain. To attract manufacturers, the government has reduced the corporate tax rate to 15% for new manufacturing units. Combined with the global China Plus One strategy and easier export processes, India is now seen as a strong alternative for global companies. India is now the second largest mobile phone producer in the world. Around 99% of the phones sold in India are made locally.